Hello, my name is Marius and today I will show you how to cut your own hair. First you need to wash your hair and wipe it with a towel. For this haircut you're gonna need a handheld mirror, a hair clipper, a scissor and a comb. Create two lanes to separate the top hair. I will start cutting the sides and the back side with the number 4. It's very important to fade out because otherwise you will make a hard line and I think you don't want that. As you can see in my video, as I'm going up with the hair clipper, I'm pushing out. Stay closer to the back mirror because you will see the details better.
Next I will use number 3, but instead of going as high, I'm cutting the lower section under the first one.
Don't worry, it's not a big deal with the back side. Now I'm using number 3, but this time the lever should be closed to help in blending. Here I'm using the hair clipper with the lever fully closed, because the one that I use allows me this. But I recommend you to do this with the attachment number 1. Depending on the direction of hair growth, you can trim down if necessary. And now I'm going to clean up around my ear and my neck. For this part you can ask for someone to help you. For the last part, your hair should be wet. Grab section by section and use the front parts as a guide. In my case, I will leave the top as it is. I'm just showing you how to do it. And finally, this is the result. Thank you for watching.